Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'll show you how to make a super easy and delicious chipotle salsa. This one goes great with any kind of seafood or fish, and it goes great with vegetables or some corn. I really hope you like it. I hope you can give it a try. I'm sure you will like it. Enjoy. Remember, you'll find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. So we're going to add all the ingredients in the blender. And actually all the ingredients are to taste, so feel free to modify the recipe according to your liking. So I'm using 1 cup of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 garlic clove, and then I'm going to use 1 can of chipotle peppers in adobo. It's a small can. Feel free to use as much of it as you like. You can add more peppers or less pepper depending on what kind of sauce you like. Then season this with salt and black pepper to taste. Then we're going to blend this on high for a few minutes until everything is well blended and has the consistency that you prefer. Once the sauce is done, if the sauce is too thick, feel free to add more water or milk to thin it out. And if you like it more spicy, feel free to add more chipotle peppers to taste. And also feel free to add more salt and pepper if you think it's necessary. And that's about it. Once the sauce is ready, once you're happy with the flavor, the sauce is done, and now you can serve it. And this one is so delicious. I hope you can give it a try. I really like it. I really recommend it. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.